Hello. So you're looking to learn more about Agile and its various methodologies, especially Scrum, but wondering where to start and which course to choose. Well, my name is Josephine Ajayi, and first and foremost, thank you for considering my course, Agile Methodologies with a focus on Scrum. This course is great for anyone that wants to have a good understanding of what Agile is, why you have been hearing the word Agile being thrown around, and why so many companies are transforming the way they work from the traditional waterfall approach, which had worked well for them for years before, to a more agile one. If you're also curious as to how exactly you can start working on a project and deliver a releasable increment when you don't have all the information about the product on hand, and why does the customer need to be involved throughout the project? After all, isn't that a distraction to the people working on the project? Also, can the company truly meet all the demands of the client? Wouldn't that blow up the scope of the project? Well, these are very good questions, and I try to answer them in this course. The topics covered in this course are about what Agile is, its advantages over the more traditional waterfall approach, its disadvantages, the Agile Manifesto, and the 12 Agile principles and core values that people practicing Agile should work by. I also provide a high-level overview of some popular methodologies, including Kanban, Extreme Programming, Dynamic Systems Development Method, Crystal Family, and Scrumban. I then dive into Scrum, its definitions and applications, then talk about what makes up a Scrum team, the various Scrum events, and Scrum artifacts, as well as what a user story is, what a velocity is and how it is calculated. I talk about spikes and the importance it plays in Scrum, the definition of done, scaling Agile using Scrum or Scrums, and finally, I talk about the Scrum certification process if you're heading towards that option. So, as you can see, the course is packed full of useful information that will broaden your understanding about Agile and Scrum. I hope I've convinced you that this is the right course for you and would love to be a part of your Agile journey. Let us begin.